Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, welcome to Boom in the Sky. Thanks for coming guys. Again, we are here again. It is New Year's Eve. We're setting up some fireworks for tonight. I'll show you the setup here. I showed you a little bit in the setup video, but I'll show you now that we have it in front of the lake where we're shooting everything off. There's still some of the stuff missing. I've got to bring out the mortar tubes, so I'll do that now. I'm still wiring stuff up. I got really behind this year because of the holidays, but anyway, let me show you what we got. Okay, so here's what we got, guys. Again, we were shooting right by this lake, out overlooking the lake. Beautiful setup for the lake. But we've got 9 mini pallets that we're gonna shoot off at 9 or 9:30 p.m. So I'll give you a quick start and look at everything. So everything on the left and the right is mirrored like we did on the 4th of July. I'll link that video above. But we've got iron fans, Cometa, Blossom After Thunder, and barrel bombs from Red Apple. And again, this is the left position. The right position exactly the same. In the middle, we have no bull sheets. I'm gonna cut off the tops, so I just opened it up. Black bamboo fan, that one's a Pyro Star, and then Monstrous Palm here in the center. And here we've got in the middle section, we've got Skyline. We've got 3 of those, 1 on each position, so I think I'm going to fire those all together. We've got barrel bombs again on the left and the right. We've got Jaws from Brothers on the left and the right, and then we have Mother of All Bombs, that great Nishiki Willow effect. I had previously set up all the cakes and cut everything open. I just pre-poked everything, so now I'm just going to actually fuse everything up. In the middle, we've got Skyline again. We've got another Jaws, so the same thing with Jaws. Skyline and Jaws are both going to go all together. We've got Nishiki Willow, Nishiki Crown Kamuro from Dominator Pro. We've got Smoking Guns from Joker. I actually haven't seen that firework anywhere else, so it's a great, beautiful cake. And then up top, we've got Doom, Sunflower Bomb. We've got After Dark. We're gonna take 2020. We've got Epidemic and Virus. We shot them off in July 4th as well, but we're gonna blow up this virus and get rid of it, and hopefully in 2021 we'll be back to normal. But anyway, so we've got After Dark, Outbreak, Epidemic, and Virus, Doom, Sunflower Bomb. I've got the red one on the right and the yellow one on the left. Scorpion, Scorpion, and Scorpions. We've got a massive, oops, move that. We've got a massive zipper cake here, the Peacock 180 shot from Mega Banger. I picked this one up in Jabs in South Carolina during my road trip. We've got a couple last minute things that I ordered not too long ago, a couple weeks ago, from 76 Pro line. So we've got the Silver Flash, 2 cakes there. We've also got the Instant Crackle, so the Instant Fan Crackle. So awesome cakes. I love those cakes. I'm gonna figure it out. So but anyway, that's the setup, guys. Here's what it looks like. It's the first time I'm here with the sun up, so here we go, guys. We're gonna shoot this off shortly. We've got a couple hours. I'm just doing the last minute touch-ups, just loading all the mortar tubes up. I previously fused them together, so I'm gonna drop those in, bring those out here, and we do have a special surprise. I think I can get it wired up in time, hopefully, fingers crossed. So anyway, that is the setup here. It is one of the 2 days that I really get to shoot fireworks off here in South Florida. It is a balmy, I don't know, 78 degrees right now. I've got my Cobra shirt on. I am part of the Pyro crew, so we're gonna shoot this whole show with the Cobra 18R2 remote. I've got 2 18M modules. I picked up a 3rd for Black Friday. I got a 36M, so that'll be the first time that I have the 36M. So I was frantically learning how to use it last night. So shout out to all of the folks at Cobra. So I'm representing, guys. I can't wait to see this show. So anyway, let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. There it is, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy 2021. Happy New Year to all of you guys. I hope you guys had a great New Year's Eve and New Year's celebration as well. We had a great time. We shot a whole bunch of fireworks. I did have a handful of issues with the firing. The battery was low. I had an error code in my script. I tested it. I got most of them worked out. There was a couple things that didn't shoot. So I did launch them by hand with a torch. So, but let me give you a little walk around. I hope you guys had a great 2021 New Year's Eve. So here we go. Here's what everything looks like. One thing that we totally forgot to do was take the top of the cakes off. So it's a little messier than normal, or messier than we want to be. We also had a fire here. Scorpion's cake caught on fire and was swirling, but that's what it looks like. This is the aftermath. I obviously took the Cobra modules, but I had an 18M here, an 18M here, and a 36M over here. We have, again, 9 mini pallets. So we have 9 mini pallets. Everything on the left and the right were mirrored to each other. So theoretically, they were going to go off together. Some of them did, some of them did not. But anyway, Peacock cake was awesome. Scorpions were awesome. Mother of all bombs is absolutely great. Smoking guns and the Dominator Nishiki Crown Willow or Nishiki Crown Kimuro, great cakes. Love those as well. So, but here it is, guys. This is again the aftermath. Had 11 mortar tubes or 11 mortar racks go off. This is what they look like. So everything eventually fired. The first couple didn't go off. So this was my first time actually using the Talon igniters. Had a couple of them that I think I broke the clip when I put it in. So just ended up hand lighting those. But this is what it looks like, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, how was your New Year's Eve? Did you shoot fireworks? We had a great show. I had products from a handful of different places. I have stuff from Red Apple that was left over from the 4th of July that I didn't use. I have stuff from American Wholesale Fireworks out in Ohio. They were awesome. I actually got some last minute stuff. I didn't get to shoot as much of it off today as I wanted. So that stuff will come in the next video or another video soon. Also had some stuff from Jabs up in South Carolina that I stopped at during my October road trip, early October. So we had a lot of stuff from Mega Banger, like the Scorpions cakes, like we had the instant Crackle cakes. So yeah, anyway, that's it, guys. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know where you shoot fireworks off. How was your New Year's Eve? Did you get a chance to shoot fireworks off? Of course, subscribe if you'd like. Love to see you. I've got 651 subscribers from me to you. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. But anyway, like I always say, make it beautiful and make it loud. Thanks, guys.